we are doing an unboxing. Okay, so first thing is first. I got this package from RochelleAdamson.com. This is a fellow YouTuber. I will link her YouTube channel and her website in the description. But let's just see what I got. Let's just get into it. I'm not trying to make this video super long. Okay. We got that, and then we got this. This is from, I think, Budget With Me Etsy shop. Okay, so what I got from Rochelle Adamson shop is a new wallet / purse. So with it comes with this bag. I think that's pretty nice. Comes with a gold chain and a black chain. And this is nice. Okay. So you open it, you have your slots for your cards. Does this come out? Yes, it does. So it's extra space for cards. You have the 3 rings, a spot for a pen, coins. Okay. And then I got I'm gonna use my code. I got 10% off my next purchase. And then I got some stickers. That's cute. I got a pen and a little keychain that is supposed to go on the end like that. All right. So this is going to replace this. It's so big and bulky compared to that. So that's what I got from Rochelle, and we'll set it up together. And then with Budget With Me from Etsy, she gave me a mini savings challenge. This was free. And then I got the A7 envelopes to go in it. But she told me that she probably made them too big and to let her know. So let's try it out now. So I got gas, eating out, groceries, household, beauty, fun, spending, miscellaneous, and receipts. Hopefully it's not too big, but let's find out. Yep, they are. Let's see if I take this out. Let's close it first. So we're gonna close it. It's gonna be too big. Yeah, it won't close, so she's gonna have to remake them. Yep. So, but this is how it will look. If it would have worked or whatever. I'm super bummed now. But if it would have worked, charger. And now it's a purse. I think that is super cute. Get the mess out the way. Okay, so let's try it with this gold chain. I'm not gonna take it completely out because I don't plan on using the gold chain, but y'all get the idea. Now I gotta try to pull it back through, but that's okay. But yeah, this is my new wallet. And we just hook that here. And we have this and this. And there we go. Now, when I get my actual correct size envelopes, that'll be great. But until then, this will just sit here. This is what she gave me for free. If I can open it. So it's a mini savings challenge. But this is my new little budget wallet. She's gonna have to remake the envelopes. I will say I'm glad that she pointed it out on her own. And then I didn't have to come to her and say, hey, these envelopes aren't the correct size. She already, you know, took accountability for it. So I really like that. So I definitely shop with her again. But that's it for this video, you guys. Definitely, go check out this wallet. I mean, let's put it in the bag because since I'm not technically going to be using it. This is so nice and sleek. And I got this for $37, I think. I'll put the price right here. But this is my unboxing for my new little A7 budget wallet / purse. And my new A7 envelopes that will have to be remade to fit the wallet. So, but anyways, thanks for tuning into this video. I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.